Are
you on?
Yeah. We're on live. Kim,
Grace.
got some unfortunate news.
I know. Grace, we gotta tell the people.
I'm gonna cry.
You gonna cry?
Kim's leaving.
I am.
She is leaving.
I am leaving Midland Honda.
Off to newer things.
Yes. It's crazy. I can't actually believe every time I say it, it feels weird. But
you've been here for a long time.
Like 5 years, Grace.
Kim.
Yeah, I know.
It's like a quarter of my life. Not quite, but it's pretty close.
It almost is. I know. So this is one of our last shows together, Grayson.
I know.
But don't worry.
You'll still be around.
I'll still be around, just not around.
You'll be around, but just not around.
Be around, not around.
Around, but not around.
All right, Grace. This is one of my last car videos with you. So what are we going to... You know what I wish we had? I wish we had, Grayson, a convertible.
Ooh.
Because we talk about it all the time. And I wish me and you could go on a cruise with the top down.
Yeah.
Like, we don't even have a Jeep, do we?
We do.
We do?
Yeah.
We could take the top off?
We could take the top off one of the two Jeeps. Is that what you want to do today, Kim?
Yeah. You know how I feel about Jeeps.
You know how I feel about Jeeps.
So what's it? We have a lot of options.
There's a ton of options.
Oh, what's that Buick? What are those?
It's a Envision. Same as the Encore, but it's Buick.
Do you know I love the Buick Encores? I've never seen an Envision.
The Envision...
Are they new or have we had these?
They're relatively new. We have
What's
those.
that Lincoln? The Nautilus.
Nautilus, yeah.
That looks nice.
Kim's looking at all the domestics right now.
I am.
Honestly, I wouldn't mind taking out the Terrain.
The Terrain, where? This white one?
Yeah.
We already did that one.
Oh, did we?
Yeah, in our like ones under 20 grand.
Oh, right. Ooh, what else? What
is this?
That's a Dodge Hornet.
What?
Yeah.
Does it have horsepower?
It's got something.
I don't like the wheels. Oh, this is cute. I like the green.
You want to take out the Trax? You can take out the Trax.
I like the green.
Let's
take out the
Trax.
The Volvo.
Okay. Trax it is.
Was it Chevy?
Chevy.
Chevy Trax.
It's the heavy Chevy.
Grace, who are you going to start doing your showroom show with now?
Kim, I don't know.
Maybe you and like Carson can start up a series?
Maybe. But it just wouldn't be the same without you, Kim.
No.
No.
Or maybe I'll just come over on my lunch break.
Yeah, could do that.
I'm not going to be far.
No, you're just down the road. On the road again.
There you go.
Just can't wait to get on the road again.
I love when you sing.
Yeah. You know it's a good day when I'm singing.
Sing for me, Paolo. Do you know that?
No.
What?
I don't.
What? Lizzie McGuire? No?
Sorry, Kim.
Yeah.
Not in the Grayson repertoire. Okay.
Okay. So what are we taking here?
We're taking the heavy Chevy.
The heavy Chevy. Our mics were not working yesterday for this one. No. So we're just gonna walk everybody through what we were doing here.
A little voiceover, why not?
So we're coming up to the Chevy Trax. I'm talking about the green color here.
Yep, how beautiful it is.
Look at that green.
It's a sharp looking car.
I know, but even I think I was saying here, Grayson, how it didn't look like the same color. Like in person, it looks different in person. It looks right. Yeah, but it's still a really nice color. I'm talking about the engine, probably the 1.2 liter. You always talk about engines. Yeah, it's your favorite thing to talk about. It is. Yeah.
You're talking about how you think it's leather right now. I remember that part.
Well, it is. It's a two texture.
It's two texture. So the interior is cloth and the outside is leather.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not the whole outside though, like just parts of it.
Yep.
But I liked the dash there. It looked really cool.
Yeah, the blue.
No,
the blue,
like that.
Oh, in the texture, yeah.
But and how all your stuff faced you.
It's cockpit style.
Yeah.
Seat for sure.
Like it's like an airplane.
Yep. No, that's it.
There it is, all towards you, and it's all like touch screen and digital.
Yep. I'm probably at this point talking about the transmission, how it's an automatic and not a CVT.
We also talked about how it was a all-wheel drive, sure.
Even though it's not.
Here, I liked this and how it was blue, and I said that they should have done that in the Prelude because it would have looked cool.
Yep. But it's not an all-wheel drive model.
Yeah, no, it's a
front-wheel drive. I take full responsibility for that one.
You'll see. We do talk about it.
We talk about it at the end. That's on me.
But that's it.
In the road, Kimmy.
Okay, Grace in the Chevy what?
Trax. Oh, kind of scoots.
Kind of scoots?
Kind of scoots. Huh. I don't mind this. Feel like.
Have you ever driven one of these before?
To be honest with you, no. Actually, no, that's a lie. I drove one of the previous generation ones.
This is a 25. How many kilometers do we have? 12,000?
We got 12,000. Kim.
Well, yeah.
She's brand new.
Brand new. It's all digital.
Yeah. It's a fully digital display. It's nice. I get why people like these. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, Kim, these are like the same price as like a Civic.
Really?
Yeah.
But you're definitely higher up.
You're higher up, all-wheel drive.
All-wheel?
All-wheel. I think you can get these front-wheel too, but this one's all-wheel.
What else is cool about a Chevy Trax?
They're cheap on gas.
Are they?
3-cylinder.
How many horses?
I don't know off the top of my head, to be completely honest with you. But based off feel, I'm going to say 176. Like, you can feel it when it downshifts. It wants to go.
What did you say?
176.
Oh, 137.
Damn.
I thought you said.
This thing scoots good for 137.
137. It's got 162 pounds of torque. Maybe it's all that torque, right?
This thing must be like peanuts on gas. A 1.2 liter, that's tiny. Like, that's not a very large motor.
It's got no light in here.
No light, Kim. Gotta cut costs somewhere.
Yeah, but
Sunroof.
sunroof?
Hey, Tyler's behind us.
Tyler. Did you see it?
I don't know if he saw us or not. There goes another Chevy Trax owner right there. I don't like the color as much.
You see these often.
Yeah, and I get why. Like, they're cheap to buy. They're probably cheap to fill up when it comes to fuel. They're all-wheel drive. Or some of them are all-wheel drive.
This one is.
This one is. I should double-check that, but I'm 99% sure it is.
It said that.
Yeah? Okay, yeah, perfect. I was going to say, I was pretty sure it was.
Okay, and then what is...
Let's see what the lane keep assist is like. Did I do the Honda test? I think it's got it.
It has a picture of it.
It's got the lane keep assist is on. It's working.
Is it turning?
It's turning.
You didn't turn?
I'm not turning. It's not as good as Honda's, but yeah.
Do it again.
It's good. Not as good as Honda, I would say.
Is this Tyler?
I'm pretty sure that's Tyler.
Hey! We're on the Showroom show.
See you later, Tyler. It has Apple CarPlay.
It has. Oh, Grayson's happy.
Yeah.
It's got a Wi-Fi.
Yeah, Wi-Fi hotspot.
Yeah. Oh, climate. Oh, but it also has buttons.
Interesting.
So all the buttons are just climate.
Okay. Interesting. still can't believe that this is 132 horsepower. It feels like more.
Really?
Like it feels like it should be like in that like 160, 170 kind of feel. Like if that's a true testament to horsepower is not everything. This thing feels quick.
Well, there you go.
I feel like as a commuter, this is a fantastic car.
Oh, if you're saying it's that much,
like it's not a race car, but like
no,
it's cheap on gas,
but
and
that's
it feels like it has power.
The fuel economy is there. It's driver appointed. Like it looks like this would be so nice to drive.
Yeah.
All your controls are pointed at you. What's the price tag?
30 something if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, I know. What do you think it is?
32,495.
No.
How much am I off?
Well, do you want the finance price?
Or I was doing cash price, but what's the finance price?
28,195.
That's not bad at all. For under 30 grand, you can have basically a brand new car.
Brand new car. 25.
Got 12,000K on it.
12,000K. Nothing.
Huh. This is actually, like, for me, this is impressive, Kim.
Yeah? You're impressed, Grace?
I'm impressed.
By the show?
By the show.
Yeah, do you like Chevy?
Typically not, to be honest.
No?
I had one bad experience with Chevy.
My dad used to only drive Chevs, trucks.
Yeah?
Yeah.
To be, like, I'll be honest, like, at my last job, we had a couple of Chevy trucks. These things had, the one was like over 500,000 kilometers. The other one was just under 500,000. And like, they looked rough, but they still ran.
Still drove, yeah.
I don't mind this thing.
3 or 4.
Huh. You know what's good when I'm doing that? Huh.
Huh. Huh. Grayson is impressed. I love the color of it.
Yeah, the color's right. The interior's nice.
I'm loving the greens again.
Yeah, I like the greens. There has to be a certain color green. Okay, I really like deep forest green.
Yeah.
Honda, please come out with deep forest green.
They have a green.
I like the ash green. I want a forest green.
But the new Passport's a dark green.
No, it's too light for me. I want like dark forest, kind of like pearly green.
Okay.
I also want them to, like, on the new Passport, they need to bring back the powder blue. Like, you know, that's really bright. Yeah, it's the baby
blue.
Yeah, Smurf blue.
You call it Smurf blue. That's how I know it by now at Grayson.
They need to bring back that color. On the Passport, that would look so mean on the Passport.
Yeah.
It's not in every car color for sure. Like, I don't think anyone in a CRV is looking for that. But like on a Passport, yeah. Like for a relatively base model car, it's got stuff.
It has heated seats, but not cooled.
Not cool. But I mean, most stuff doesn't have cooled seats.
No. Just making observations.
No, that's fair. I'm trying to defend it because I kind of like this car.
You're like loving it.
Yeah. This is like a big thing for me. The way the steering wheel feels in my hand, I like this. Like it's
not even a flat bottom.
It's not a flat bottom. It's like not thin, but it's not thick. It's like I feel like Goldilocks, just right. Like it's got the stuff.
Yeah.
It's got the good feeling steering wheel.
How's the sound system? It's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's no.
It's not a luxury sound system I'm not expecting in the world.
But you know what? It's better than I thought it was going to be.
It's better than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be very tinny.
I thought it was going to be tinny.
Yeah.
It was not tinny.
I'm just honestly impressed for like.
Yeah.
Like how cost effective, not cheap, how cost effective this is, how good it is.
Yeah. Under 30.
Under 30. She scoots.
This
is definitely an automatic transmission too. Like it's not CVT. Not okay. I need to preface something. CVTs, when done right, are fine. They're good. They do their job. They're fantastic. When they're done bad,
they're bad.
They're bad. But there's nothing that I will ever complain about an automatic, like a proper automatic transmission.
Yeah, you always say that.
Yeah. I like gears.
Yeah.
Yeah. It has auto high beams. Like this
Do you know I love that feature?
Oh, it's a great feature.
I have it in my car and I love it.
There goes my customer. I just sold them a GMC pickup truck. I'm just checking things out.
I love the color of this car. I love
color's
the
nice.
outside of this car.
Bring back fun colors. Get rid of the black, get rid of the whites. Don't get rid of them, but
I mean,
I want fun colors.
You know, we're kind of over it. What's been the hot with leads? What are people wanting these days?
People all want HRVs.
HRVs? HRV would be comparable to this.
Yeah.
Which one do you like better? Trax or the HRV? We should do a comparison.
I'll be honest with you, Kim. There's pros and cons to both.
Let's see that.
The HRV would be more reliable.
Yeah.
I would hang my hat on that. I will say this: the horsepower.
Mm-hmm.
I would think that this has more power. It must be the torque. Like the torque must be playing mind tricks on me.
Yeah.
Because I would honestly think that this has more horsepower than the HRV does.
And it has 20 more horsepower. Fuel economy.
Comparable.
This is slightly better.
Yeah, I mean, I would hope so. It's almost half. It's almost half the displacement.
Right. The engine is smoother and quieter in the HRV.
Yeah, it's a Honda 2-liter.
Yeah.
Kind of, best motors ever built.
Like this might not be an all-wheel drive. It's front-wheel drive.
What? Bombshell. Kim.
It's front-wheel drive.
Kim.
Sorry.
I thought it was all-wheel. I didn't do research on it before I hopped in. I should have known better.
It's a front-wheel drive.
It's a front-wheel drive model.
Well, we can scrap this whole episode.
Think so?
No. Is it lower than the HRV?
It's very close. It's full down like an HRV.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Spare tire.
Oh, yeah.
So
front wheel drive.
It's a front wheel drive. I should have taken the time and looked. Still a great car.
Still a great car. I would still take it because you know what? Front wheel drive is great in the winter.
Yep. Honestly, front wheel, like all wheel, like I would rather front wheel with winter tires than all wheel with all seasons.
Any day.
There are people though that like
any day.
If I have all wheel drive, I don't need winter tires.
That's like, insane.
You're crazy.
That's insane.
I gotta be honest with you, I love this, like my Civic in particular with the limited slip diff in the snow. It's great.
Yes, slip diffs.
Slip diffs. All kidding aside, it's actually amazing in the snow. I love it.
I don't know what it means.
Basically, with front wheel drive, you can have an open diff, which it's just going to drive the one wheel.
Mm-hmm.
With a limited slip diff, if this wheel starts spinning, it's going to lock both of them, and then they're both going to go.
Oh.
Yeah. Crazy.
All right. Well, Grayson, we got probably a couple more shows.
Couple more, and
left.
That'll be the end of the power team, Grayson and Kim.
But you can always still buy cars from Grayson. He ain't going
I'm not going anywhere.
I'm going to send you all my friends, Grace.
Sounds good, Kim.
Go buy your car from Grayson.
Kim's got to buy a new vehicle before she leaves.
That's what he wants me to do. Yeah.
All right, Kim. Until next time.
Get this. Come for a drive in this Trax.
Come for a drive in the Trax. If you want something a little bigger, we got a Blazer right beside it.
Or an Expedition that's like a pickup truck. That thing's huge.
It's a tank.
Gotta check that thing out.
Yep.
All right.
Till next time.
Bye.